Hi guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing a review on Fein lashes. It's a company, it's a company that reached out to me on Instagram. Here are the lashes that were sent to me. The packaging is so cute, and as always my nails are a mess, but here it is. These are their lashes in the style Morphe. They are 100% human hair lashes. The website also sells hair extensions for those of you who wear extensions. I don't. I've never really been like an extension weave type of person. And here's the style Rachel. This is the style that I'm gonna wear for you today. Their packaging is really cute. Up top it says "You are gorgeous, now blink with style," and behind the lashes it's like a, my nails are so ugly, it's like a glitter background, and this is what the packaging looks like outside. I'm gonna test how comfortable the lashes are, obviously what they look like on my eye and all that good stuff. Like I said, I'm gonna be wearing Rachel today, so yeah, I'll be right back and we're gonna put on the lashes. Bye. Just a nice little life update, guys. I started watching Game of Thrones. I don't know why I waited so long. Okay, here we go. Take two. So this is what the Rachel eyelash looks like on. Go put on the other eyelash and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like with both lashes on, but they're really wispy and they're really long. Here's like a side view of how long they are. I take back what I said about the lash band being hard to manage. I mean, these definitely, I wouldn't say, if you're beginning to just use lashes, I wouldn't necessarily recommend these just because they're teensy, bit hard to work with, but if you want to go for it, by all means, do it, girl. Nobody's going to stop you. Yeah, I feel like these lashes will look 10 times better if I actually have on like a full face, because right now I just have on like brows, mascara, concealer, and I threw on a lip, but I feel like they look so much better. You know, like girls get lash extensions. I feel like that's what these look like. I will have a coupon code for you guys down below. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you want to save more money? If you guys got some extra coin, you guys still got some Christmas money laying around, I think you should get these. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, this tutorial kind of thing, review on Fein extensions. I strongly advise you guys to check out their lashes. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like me. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Like, subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't be too shy. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, tell your friends, and yeah.